Hi, everyone. Really happy to be here today just to lighten things up, I guess, at the end, from deeply technical topics to something hopefully just as interesting as the rest of it. I would like to talk about Zabbix professional services. Basically, everything you can book with our team directly and receive assistance on any stage of your Zabbix journey. Let's begin. I'm sure that the majority of you today already know our history, but maybe for those who are new or just like to refresh their memory, I would like to highlight some important milestones in the Zabbix existence. So the project itself started in 1998, and the actual company was established in 2005. Our headquarters is located in Riga, Latvia, and we have expanded quite significantly over the years and now have offices in different places in the world, such as Tokyo, New York, Moscow, and our most recent addition to the Zabbix universe is our office in Brazil that we opened last year. Over the past 10 years, we have introduced 50% year on year growth. We are trying to improve even further daily. Currently, we are a team of more than 80 professionals. A lot of us are here developers, QA specialists, technical support engineers, certified trainers, sales partner, marketing managers, and we are all working together as one big team, making sure that Zabbix is the best tool in the market for you. And of course, all of us know how important monitoring can be. According to Gartner, 98% of all organizations have confirmed that they have indeed experienced downtime and it costs them money. An average cost of money, oh, sorry, of downtime is $5,600 per minute, which is quite a lot. Modern businesses can afford for it to happen and they need to react to their issues quickly. So this is how Zabbix come into the picture and help you with all of it. We can help you minimize the risks, save money, and make sure that your services are up and running all the time. So, how we do stand out from the competition? First of all, we are fully open source, meaning that there is zero investment required from your side when you start using the tool. We don't hide features behind corporate or enterprise versions. Whatever is available in the tool is available for free. The tool is also easily scalable and customizable, which may be very good news for a lot of companies since you can integrate it with lots of different systems and make sure you just get one nice view of everything that's happening in your infrastructure. And of course, Zabbix as a software is backed by a wide range of professional services, which I will be covering later, be it Zabbix deployment, support, troubleshooting, training, upgrade, and so on. Zabbix is used by different companies of all sizes in all countries and segments in the world. You can see some of the names on the screen. A lot of them are from Fortune 500 list. We always encourage our customers to leave their feedback in all our community resources and channels because we value their opinion and we always use it as a way to improve. We are also partners with more than 160 IT organizations worldwide. But basically, our partner program was introduced to develop Zabbix services locally. Our partners can expand their portfolio, receive margin for selling Zabbix services, and discounts for internal use. We have also introduced different levels of partnership. So you can choose the one that fits your business model best of all. You can be a reseller and sell Zabbix services, or become a certified partner and actually provide those services to your clients as well. A Zabbix Premium Partner is a special status that is assigned to partners that have met a special benchmark in our relationship together. So, if a partner program sounds like something you'd like to pursue and maybe have more details about, please feel free to contact us in the chat or after this presentation, and our team will be happy to help you with all the details. And basically, now I'd like to talk how exactly we can help you. So, our professional services team can guide you through every stage of your Zabbix journey, from its deployment and configuration to troubleshooting, technical support, including training courses for your staff to make sure that your business can respond to your monitoring needs. Let's start with technical support. It is our most popular service, and it's high demand is explained because it offers a number of benefits. First of all, our engineers offer a hands-on troubleshooting of all your issues, and they get back to you within a guaranteed response time. With your individual login to the Zabbix support system, you can open tickets at any time within your support level, and you get assistance from our engineers directly. The pricing model is quite simple and transparent as well. It's per Zabbix proxy and server. So here on the screen, you can see that currently we have 5 different levels of technical support available, from Silver to Global One. You can choose any level depending on how critical the workloads that you monitor are. For example, the support can be available just during business days and business hours, like in Silver and Gold, or it can be 24/7 round the clock technical support. So you can make sure that you can open tickets at any time, including holidays and weekends, whatever something happens. An important thing here is that the number of devices that you monitor is unlimited, and it always stays unlimited. So it doesn't matter how many switches, routers, servers, or whatever you monitor, it's all included and all covered, because the price is solely based only on the number of Zabbix servers and proxies in your infrastructure. More and more customers see a great value of our enterprise tier because it covers an unlimited number of Zabbix servers and proxy. Which allows you to have a maximum room for growth. For example, in one of the cases, we had a client who grew their infrastructure to more than 2,000 proxies, and everything was still covered within one enterprise contract. So if you need this much room to grow, this is the best way to go. Global One is ideal for big global companies, corporations that have a lot of branch offices in different parts of the world, and all of them would like to benefit from our support services. So if you need to get any more details about any particular tier, or you'd like to get an actual quote, an official offer from our site, please feel free to contact our sales team. You'll see the address later on the screen, and my colleagues, myself, and the rest of the sales team will be happy to help you and provide any assistance you may need in this. Another service I'd like to mention is our training courses. Currently, they are delivered online, so they are available to pretty much everyone in the world. And we deliver them in 2 options. So, option 1 is to have a public training, to attend the training where various companies are present. But there is also option 2 in case you prefer to have a private session just for your team. So, it will be just your team and our trainer. That's also possible. There are 4 levels of certification available, starting with Zabbix Certified User, which is a 1-day overview of the system, an ideal way to get familiar with the Zabbix front end, to see how to work with it, understand its menu. Zabbix Certified Specialist and Professional courses are already more technically advanced, and they cover the actual topics and process of the software installation and configuration, including the use of the software in distributed environments. So this would be maybe beneficial for you if you're dealing with Zabbix on a daily basis, and this is basically your main job. And if you'd like to get a real challenge, you can attend our Certified Expert course. This course is designed for experienced Zabbix professionals who are not afraid of very complicated and difficult tasks. Our most recent addition to the training program is our extra courses. On the screen, you see that currently we have 4 of them, and technically each one of them represents a deep dive into a specific topic. Each course lasts 1 day, and the pricing is available on the screen. The schedule for all courses, both certification courses and extra courses, is available on our website. All you need to do is to choose the course you're interested in, choose the date, and this form will come to our sales team, and we can get back to you with all the necessary details. If you need our help with the actual installation and configuration of the tool, for example, you've just completed your POC and you decided to proceed with Zabbix as your tool in your production environment, then Zabbix Turnkey Solution is a way to go. It covers the installation and configuration of Zabbix as well as migration from a legacy tool. This service has a fixed daily rate that's available on the screen, but the total costs are calculated based on the complexity and size of your environment, as well as any additional requirements you might have, such as specific templates or integrations, or maybe high availability setup. And if you already have Zabbix that's up and running, but you would like to contact our engineers to get some professional advice, our consultant services is a really good option here. So they cover any Zabbix related tasks. It can be a Q&A session with a Zabbix engineer, some performance tuning, an environment review, or simply a discussion about best practices and how to perform certain actions and how to keep your Zabbix installation healthy and up running all the time. Consultant services are available as packages of hours, 10, 20, 40, and more hours, with a minimum purchase of 10 hours. Again, if you'd like to get an official quote for this service, please feel free to contact us after this, and we'll be happy to provide those. So just to sum up, what you receive if you'd like to proceed with our professional services and actually get this assistance from our team, you get perfectly tuned and deployed Zabbix system, plus best practices on how to operate in the future, strategic advice directly from the Zabbix engineers, full and detailed explanation of the problem and its resolution, and of course, everything is fully documented, again, for your benefits and for your use, so you can have it in the future, have it at hand, and make sure you can always come back to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Like I mentioned before, this is our email address, sales@zabbix.com. My colleagues and I will be happy to help and provide all the necessary quotes and details that you might need about any of our professional services. Thank you for your time.
Thank you a lot, Maria. This was a really, really nicely put and articulated and guided walk through our different services, and I think this has been of great use to potential customers. So as you said, support, essentially technical support is the most requested one, right?
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah. We see more and more clients requesting a quote for technical support or some additional details to compare different technical support levels, simply because this service gives our customers peace of mind. They can always contact our engineers and make sure that they will get this assistance, they will get this guidance and answers to their questions to make sure that Zabbix is okay on their side.
And is it 24/7? I missed that part, or how does that work?
So basically, there are two options for our clients to choose from. They can choose business days, business hours, according and adjusting to their time zone. This option is available in levels silver and gold. And if our clients would like to get 24/7 round the clock technical support, they can choose any support level starting from the platinum one.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Another common question that we actually get quite a lot during demo sessions and so on. So let's say a customer decides to buy 10 hours of consultancy, right, to fix whatever issue they need to fix. Let's say it's a performance problem. In real life, it takes 5 hours to fix it.
Yeah.
So what happens with the remaining 5 hours?
Yeah, they of course do not expire and they don't just get lost anywhere. So if a customer requires a certain number of hours, be it 10, 20, or 40 or whatever, we use only the necessary amount of hours to fix a specific issue that, for example, we discussed before and agreed on. And then the rest of them are still with this customer. They're still assigned to their account and they can get back to them and use them later in the future for any other tasks, should there be a need to do so.
So it can be anything. It's not necessarily performance tuning, since this is what they originally
absolutely no restriction. It's actually in my personal experience, I see more and more cases where it's just everything that you can do with Zabbix. It can be some tuning or an actual review or maybe some additional template that requires either actual creating of it or just some fixing and tweaking. So absolutely anything Zabbix related can be included in consultant services.
All right, sounds great. Wow, thank you a lot, Maria. This actually helped me to help our customers in our demo sessions and things like that.
Happy to help.
Thank you a lot.